How to join Shein affiliate program. So first, you just have to go to any web browser and then type CJ affiliate. This is what it looks like. And what you want to do is to simply click this one and you will see this page right here. And to start, what you want to do is to click get started. If you want to know more about the CJ affiliate program, you can also scroll down and read some information right here. So once you understood its information and program, what you want to do next is click sign up. Here you have to enter some basic information in order for you to start this affiliate program. So to become a CJ affiliate, you should enter the following information. Okay, so as you can see, become a CJ publisher. All you have to do is to enter the language, country, your email address, your password, confirm password, and then tap this I'm not a robot, and then click verify email. So you have to go to your email in order for you to verify this. So I will go to my email address and tap this create my CJ publisher account. Tap this one and it will take you to the landing page. So what you want to do here is to simply agree to their terms and conditions. So first you have to read this part. Click this boxes right here for age verification. Now you have to tap this publisher service agreement. You have to read the following. You have to understand all the details there. Once done, you can now accept agreement. Okay, so you have to click this one first in order to tap this accept agreement here. You cannot proceed unless you read their terms and condition and agree with it. So this is what it looks like once you understood everything. Once you learn and accept their terms and conditions or agreement, you can go back and then click agree. And then after that, you can now proceed. You have to do this to all of the terms and policy here. Okay, so tap this, read, and then agree so that you can see the word accepted. Okay, so once done, all you have to do is to click continue to account. Here, what you want to do next is to enter your email address and also your password and click login. So this is what it looks like. This is a CJ's affiliate program or affiliate network. So you have to enter or you have to finish this information here in order for your account to be activated. Enter user information, complete your network profile, add a promotional property, enter company details, provide your payment information. Once you have provided all the information here, you can now tap this activate account. Now go to the upper left corner, tap partners, and then click this find advertisers. Once you tap this one, go to advertisers and then type or enter Shein, click search, and then once done, you will see here affiliate or apply program. So all you have to do is to tap this apply program here. But as you can see, if I tap this one, I need to finish all the information first, the one I showed you earlier, in order for me to activate my account. Now, if you're ready, then what you wanted to do is to enter all the information there, go back to this, and then click this apply program and wait till they accept your request. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.